Hi, today's topic, streaming Skype video conference with help of NDI. It's not that hard, it just takes some effort to dig the info online, which I've done so you don't have to. Me and my cousin entered season 2 with our podcast and I wanted to be a live show. And since we live 200 kilometers away, we use Skype to communicate anyways. Skype usually works okay, also good mic helps. And definitely any headphones help also to prevent loop and feedback cancelling algorithms in Skype to mute or distort our speech. And capture clean Skype video inputs, NDI comes to help. How to set it up? So in Skype, you have to go to settings, there's a calling tab, advanced section, allow NDI usage. This has to be enabled. Then a download from this page, integration into OBS. So it's OBS plugin for NDI. And you just click through to the latest releases and you can download installer. So you just run the process or you can install manually with the files. Then when you install the plugin and restart the OBS, you should be able to add NDI source. Create new one, and you have options here. You have to have active conversation. Then you have option to your camera, the host's guest's camera, and active speaker, which is video that switches based on the audio inputs. So who's active, but I'm not using this. So you need your guest. Okay, here it is. You adjust your size, crop it however you want it, and usually it's like this, or change the size, whatever. Then you have to set the scaling or bounding box type, scale to inner bounds. This jumps a little bit, but the crop works still the same way. This we've done because the Skype sometimes compensates for lower bandwidth and changes resolution. So when that happens, that would change the size of this image. And when we set to scale to inner bounds, it will automatically compensate for that. So it's really important thing. Really important thing to do it prior to any errors. So you've added your guest, you probably want to add yourself or the hosting image. It can be NDI source, it can be webcam input. You can also use the NDI source for your image, yeah, okay. And you can also create scene only with your guest. You've already created this one, so we can add existing, stretch it there, or add some PNG overlay or background, another scene only with you. You can also make sort of welcoming screen and with image or text. Welcome. Okay. You want scrolling maybe, okay. Got filter, then scroll. Okay. Adjust the speed of scrolling, one on the other side. Then you see we need to add a space between okay. Welcome. Right, so you have probably the knowledge you need to create a basic conversation with Skype. And if you want to make like bigger event with multiple streams, multiple Skype conversations, I totally recommend rent a TriCaster. TriCaster with Advanced Edition has Skype built in and have tools to manage this kind of thing. And since you would rent it, you're not paying such a high price as you would when you buy this powerful computer that really can manage high resolution videos and multiple streams. So yeah, that's one of the recommendations. More on NDI, just an info. With NDI, you can download NDI Tools, which is free pack of instruments, software instruments to work with NDI. So you can send a screen capture video from one computer to another in the same network as you do with the Skype conversation. So you can do presentations, video gameplay, you can send your webcam also to another computer, and if you want, you can buy an app into iPhone or Android that will make your phone a webcam, or actually NDI source. So you can use your phone as a wireless camera. For bigger events, I would probably recommend to borrow TriCaster from Rentals. TriCaster with Advanced Edition has Skype integrated and the power to manage multiple video channels in high resolution, so you don't have to buy a strong PC to manage 8 or more NDI channels. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment. Like if you like this video or find it helpful. Thank you and bye.